In this video, I will show you how to clear the DNS cache in Google Chrome. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, your host DNS cache does clutter up quite quickly, so it's a good idea to clear this from time to time just to keep it nice and fresh. And to do this, what you want to do is open a Google Chrome browser, come up to the address bar at the top, and you want to type this into the address bar, which is Chrome followed by a colon //net-internals / DNS, and then hit enter. Now what that's going to do is take you to a screen like this, and from here you're actually going to see a button which says clear host cache. Simply give that a click, and what that's going to do is clear your DNS cache on Google Chrome. So that is how to clear the DNS cache in Google Chrome. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.